Take 4 to 5 potatoes. Peel it off. Cut them into slices. All are done. Now add them into a rough pan. Add water in it. Add salt. Let it boil. After 15 to 20 minutes, now potatoes are ready. Now strain the potatoes. Now take out the potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Now gather the mashed potatoes. Add salt, 1 tablespoon. Add black pepper, ½ tablespoon. Add Chinese salt, ½ tablespoon. Add paprika powder, ½ tablespoon. Add oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon. Add all-purpose flour maida, 1 tablespoon. Add corn flour, 1 tablespoon. Mix it. With the help of your hand, make a texture of potatoes like a dough. Place a dough of potatoes. Roll the dough and take a side half dough. Now roll it again. Now cut them into pieces. All are done. Now take out 1 piece. Now take 1 fork and make all like this. Now fry them. Add them into oil. Now change the sides. All are done. Now take it out. Alhamdulillah, ready. Now taste it. Very delicious. Must try it. Thanks.